Hello! Today we are going to make peanut butter cake, easy and delicious. As first we are going to make the sponge, for which we need the following ingredients: unsalted butter, flour, granulated sugar, large eggs, salt, vanilla extract. Melt 30 grams of unsalted butter in a saucepan. Let it cool and put aside. Sift 240 grams of flour. Put 200 grams of granulated sugar in a bowl. Add 6 large eggs in 2 batches and whisk well. Add pinch of salt and tablespoon of vanilla extract. Whisk well at high speed for at least 15 minutes until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Gradually add 240 grams of flour and mix carefully. Next, take a separate small bowl, put 4 tablespoons of dough and mix it with the melted butter. Once mixed well, put it back into the main dough and mix all well again. Pour the mixture into a round baking tin with at least 3 cm overlap of baking paper. Bake 30 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees. Turn the cake upside down and let it cool for 20 minutes. Next step is the buttercream. We need the following ingredients: put 330 grams of mascarpone in a bowl. Add 250 grams of peanut butter and mix well. In a separate bowl, pour 300 grams of heavy cream. Add 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Gradually add into the peanut butter and mascarpone mixture. The third step is the sugar syrup and the chocolate decoration. We will need water, granulated sugar, amaretto liqueur or rum, dark chocolate. Pour 150 milliliters of water in a saucepan. Add 150 grams of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of amaretto liqueur or rum. Stir well until it starts to boil. Pour into a bowl and let it cool. Following step is the chocolate decoration. Pour hot water into a saucepan. Put a glass bowl inside the saucepan and add 160 grams of dark chocolate. Stir the chocolate on low heat until it melts. Pour the chocolate into a piping bag and use the nozzle with a very small hole. Draw chocolate grids on the baking paper. Feel free to use any other design. Put the chocolate on the paper into the freezer for at least 10 minutes. Final step is the cake assemble. Carefully cut the cake into 3 layers. Cut all bananas into slices. Place the first cake layer on the plate and brush with the sugar syrup. Put 4 tablespoons of buttercream in a separate bowl for cake decoration. Spread a thin layer of cream on top of your first layer. Place 1 layer of banana slices. Cover with cream. Place the second layer of cake on top and repeat the same process. Top with the third layer of cake with the bake side up. Cover the whole cake with cream. Cut 300 grams of peanuts into small pieces. Sprinkle the bottom side of the cake. Use the remaining melted chocolate and decorate the top of the cake using the piping bag. Coat the inside of the piping bag with a little melted chocolate. Add the remaining cream and using a star nozzle, decorate the cake. And finally decorate the cake with the chocolate grits. Enjoy!